My name is Zahra. My business is SafePlant. SafePlant is an AI-based platform that helps farmers and growers to diagnose the pests and disease that harm their fields. As a new person in the UK, I didn't know any person who can help me. Through University of Sheffield, I got introduced to Morgan Cleek. He had some training courses in Business Sheffield through TechForge. Through that, I entered into a new world of all entrepreneurs that were gathering there together. Through his help, we could find accelerator that can help us. He introduced us to many other organizations that can help high-tech businesses. Without Morgan's help, we couldn't get those funding events, those accelerators help to grow our business.